I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if that's what you're looking for, you should subscribe. And when you subscribe, you become one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. Today I'm doing another collab with the Beauty Nook. I just started collabing with them, and the first wig was Renee Paris's Nolan, which I absolutely love. I am going to include my name brand wig playlist down below, so you can check that video up. If I remember, I'll click it up here, but I don't usually remember, so if it's there, great. If it's not, then it will be right down below. This beautiful girl right here is a half wig by Outre named Ava. This show and tell will be up soon if it's not already, but let's get to what we're getting here for the Beauty Nook. We are reviewing a main attraction wig. I've never reviewed a main attraction wig before, and so today we have main attractions Broadway. I have her in the color Butternut. She retails on Beauty Nook for $125. I do have a code, which I will put here, which you can get a discount on this wig at 35%. This is the cap construction. She's got that airy weft cap, full cap wig. This has the Velcro straps, which are really, really comfortable if you have issues with alopecia, any type of sensitive scalp, cancer treatments, or just a sensitive scalp in general. So you can just, I just tightened it a little bit. I've never worn this type of cap before. I'm not sure what the fit is, but normally I wear like an average size cap, and I do have to tighten it a little bit. I do have wig grip on, so let's see what's going on once I get this on. You can see this wig is very rooted. What color was it again? Butternut? Yeah, Butternut. It's not heat safe, okay? You can see she's sort of like a curly style. She's kind of reminded me a little bit of either Gabor Sweet Talk or the curl up. I have the curl up, but I haven't reviewed her, but she kind of looks like that. She's this gorgeous sort of platinum, but it does have a sort of warm-ish number 4, number 6 root, and the rooting is throughout, which I really, really like, even along the hairline. So let's get her on, and then we'll see what we are talking about. saw me get her together. So I did have to cut her. I feel like she's so much cuter now. I feel like wigs like this, when they're at that length where they're down here, it's just too much on the bottom. So I did just cut off that extra. I feel like it gives it like a bounce. It looks like this is the length that it should be. I also use this Aesthetica sea salt spray. No beach required. This is Beachy Waves and Tousled Texture sea salt spray. I really like this, especially for wigs that already are like curly, but you want to just give it a little something more. I used the travel steamer just to take down the bigness a little bit, and just to tame it so that I could put the sea salt spray in and do it the way that I liked it. I think it's really cute at this length. This particular color is a little too blonde for me, and I really love my blondes. I love the rooting. I absolutely love the rooting. There's a little bit of permatease in there. I do love the rooting. I love the curls. The bangs actually don't really bother me because they are really easily tamed. I wonder what it would look like. Let's try like a headband and see what happens. I did tighten it, and I have a wig grip on, but it's still big on me, so just keep that in mind. This cap can run a little bit bigger. I could tighten it a lot more too, but I'm just saying. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So cute. So cute. Let me just get the sides out. I like to pull the sides down when I put a headband on. Just, one, to like cover up any sideburn action of your, like, see, this is my sideburn. Although it kind of blends. It is a slight bit darker. See, it's even cute just like this. Oh my gosh, that is cute. I almost want to use this and then also clip this back. We're doing a little impromptu styling. I don't know why I was like styling. I like it so much. I just want to pull out some bangs. I actually really like this. I really do. Like I said, I would prefer it in a slightly darker color. I did use some dry shampoo because it's not as shiny, but it does give me a little bit of shine. But I think this is so cute just for like running around. Let's look at her from the back. Just like running around places, I think this would be adorable. Yeah, that's Main Attractions Broadway. I think this could be a really versatile wig, and I think there's a lot that you can do to customize this. And even though it's a shorter wig, to play with the style. If you have this wig and you have thoughts, please put that down below. If there's another Main Attraction wig you would like me to review, also, I have a thing with bangs. Oh, I kind of like it like that. If you have another wig that you would like me to review, see, I can't stop playing with bangs. That's why it's hard for me with bangs. Okay, I think that's good. Let me spray it. Oh yeah. Anyway, if there's another Main Attraction wig you would like me to review, put that down below. I'm including my name brand wig playlist down below so you can see all the different name brand wigs that I have already reviewed. Thank you so much to the Beauty Nook. All of their deets are down below, but please go and check them out. If you're interested in this wig or any other wig, you can go ahead and use my code, which is on the screen here, and then also down below. Tell them I said, hey. Again, thank you so much for partnering with me. Please go and check them out on their Facebook page. They do have an app, which is really cool. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.